Good morning to one and all. My name is P. Subba Reddy. Present, I am working in AP Residential Junior College, Nagarjun Sagar. Today we are going to discuss about the chapter solutions. It is the second chapter in intermediate second year chemistry. So the total chapter is subdivided into three parts. Part 1 is expressing concentration of solutions. Second part is solubility, Henry's law, ideal and non-ideal solutions. Third part is colligative properties. So total there are 4 colligative properties. So before that, now I am going to discuss about expressing concentration of solutions. Expressing concentration of solutions are very important in theory as well as in laboratory while we are doing the practicals. So the concentration of solutions are expressed in total 4 or 5 ways. Those are weight by weight percentage, volume by volume percentage, and weight by volume percentage. These three of one kind. Then second one is molarity. It is very famous. Throughout the laboratory, so many solutions are expressed in molarity concentrations. Normality, molality, mole fraction. So these are expressing concentration of solutions in laboratory. First type is weight by weight percentage, volume by volume percentage, weight by volume percentage. Second one is molarity, third one is normality, fourth one is molality, fifth one is mole fraction. So before going to discuss about these terms, what are solutions? Very fundamental one is what are solutions. All of you know very well known that in previous classes also these terms are came. Solution. What is solution? It is homogeneous mixture of two or more components. Solution is homogeneous mixture of two or more components. What is a binary solution? Bi means two. That is, binary solution means the solution which contains two components. So most of the solutions have two components. Throughout the chapter we can discuss with binary solutions only. So those solutions containing two components. The first component is solute, second component is solvent. What is solute? Solute is the substance which is present in lesser quantity in solution. The substance which is present in lesser quantity in solution is known as solute. What is solvent? The substance which is present in higher amount or higher quantity in solution is known as solvent. For example, 10 gram of sodium chloride is dissolved in 100 ml of water. 10 gram of sodium chloride is dissolved in 100 ml of water. So in this binary solution, sodium chloride is present in 10 grams, which is lesser quantity. Volume of water is 100 ml, which is present in higher quantity. So therefore, solute is sodium chloride, solvent is water, lesser quantity sodium chloride, higher quantity water, that is solvent. Then coming to expressing concentration of solutions. So first type is mass percentage, volume percentage, and weight by volume percentage. Weight by volume percentage. Mass percentage. What is mass percentage? Mass percentage is defined as the mass of component is present in total mass of solution. Mass percentage, mass of one component by total mass of solution into 100. Mass of one component by total mass of solution into 100, or mass of solute by mass of solution into 100. mass of solute by mass of solution into 100. What are the units? So both numerators and denominators are present in weights or masses. Mass is always expressed as grams. So grams by grams. Cancellation, no units. For mass percentage, no units. Similarly, volume percentage. So both numerator and denominators are expressed in terms of volume. The definition of volume percentage, very similar to mass percentage. Volume of one component by total volume of solution. Total volume of solution into 100. Obviously, volume may be expressed in liters or mLs. Liter is MKS unit, ml is CGS unit. Both numerator and denominator, ml cancellation, no units. Third one is very important, weight by volume percentage. So numerator is expressed in terms of weight, denominator is expressed in terms of volume. Weight by volume percentage. Weight of one component by total volume of solution into 100. So this is very important. Most of the solutions in laboratory are expressed in terms of weight by volume. So weight of one component by total volume of solution into 100. So weight or mass, units are grams. Volume unit is ml, grams per ml. Unit is gram per ml. These three percentage type expressions are very important in laboratory as well as theory and while solving the problems in solutions chapter. First of all, we have to understand these three terms. While we are solving the problems frequently, so now we are going to discuss about some examples regarding these percentage terms. First example is, we have to know the meaning of solutions in laboratory. First one is 10% glucose solution in water or 10% weight by weight glucose solution. 10% glucose solution in water or 10% weight by weight glucose solution or 10% glucose solution by mass. 10% glucose solution by mass. So both three are having same meaning. 10% glucose solution in water or 10% weight by weight glucose solution or 10% glucose solution by mass, which means that both solute and solvent are expressed in terms of weights because weight by weight or mass percentage. Weight by weight or mass percentage. So 10% weight by weight glucose solution or 10% glucose solution by mass means that 10 gram of glucose is dissolved in 90 gram of water. Weight. Both are expressed in terms of weights. Mass percentage means both solute and solvent are expressed in terms of weights. So 10% weight by weight glucose solution, which means 10 gram of glucose is dissolved in 90 gram of water. Percentage means all of you know that 100. Total weight of solution is 100. Total weight of solution is 100 grams. Percentage means 100. Second example, 35% weight by volume. 35% volume by volume ethylene glycol solution. 35% volume by volume ethylene glycol solution. Here both solute and solvent are expressed in terms of volumes. Both solute and solvent are expressed in terms of volumes. 35% volume by volume ethylene glycol. So ethylene glycol is the solute. 35% means that 35 ml of ethylene glycol is dissolved in 65 ml of water. 35 ml of ethylene glycol is dissolved in 65 ml of water. Total volume of solution 100 ml. Total volume of solution 100 ml. So both solute and solvents are expressed in volumes because it is expressed in terms of volume percentage, volume by volume. Third one, very important, 25% weight by volume sodium carbonate solution. So this is very important because most of the solutions in laboratories are expressed in weight by volume while we are converting into molarity or normality. 25% weight by volume sodium carbonate solution. So weight by volume, solute concentration expressed in weight, solvent concentration is expressed as volume. Weight by volume, 25% means that 25 grams, weight means grams, 25 grams of sodium carbonate is dissolved in 100 ml of water, not 75 ml of water, because here weight by volume. So 25 grams of sodium carbonate is dissolved in 100 ml of water. Total volume of solution is 100 ml. Total volume of solution is 100 ml. So these three are very important percentages expressed in laboratory as well as solving problems. We must understand these three terms. Thank you very much.